So this is the Audew jump starter, 20,000 milliamp. Hope you can see that. I think it's a newer model than the one that was shown in Project Farms. Looks pretty much the same. So we're gonna give it a shot today. Car's dead, almost dead. Try to start it, nothing happens. Okay, just showing up the multimeter. This is around 5. So when my friend tested it yesterday, his was at 10 and it didn't work. So let's try right now and see if this will work. So right now we're showing 92%. We're just gonna follow the directions on the box. I know the battery's completely dead, so I heard online that you gotta use this boost button right here. I think if you don't use it, it's just not gonna work. So let's try that out. Oh, it worked.